Hey guys, what's up, what's going on? This is Moinak and welcome to my YouTube channel Home Travelers. Today is 6th of May 2018 and today is Sunday and I am here at Decathlon. Well, I didn't shoot Decathlon much because you have already seen my videos on Decathlon 2 times. So no more. And also today there was an event of what event?
It's just a sports event.
It was a SPORTS UTSAV, yeah, SPORTS UTSAV, but nothing as such happened. But by the time I'm spending over here, the view is getting really good. And this is Diptesh. He's from Bhasha.
Yeah, Bhasha.
He's from Bhasha. He's one of my close friends.
And friends.
Okay,
and close friends, obviously.
Not subscriber. Subscriber is not, he is my friend.
Yep.
That's the thing. So he suggested me to do the vlog. I thought that I won't be vlogging anymore, but then the view is getting really nice and see the weather, man. So everything is going great.
Yeah, there's happening so much events like basketballing, what's that?
Boxing, cycling. So many things. So that is the reason I am shooting. So let's go and enjoy. So now it's time to get back home and we're heading towards our parking lot. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video then do hit the like button, do bang the thumbs up button, and then please subscribe.
Subscribe your channel.
Subscribe, man.
Subscribe, dude.
Chalo.
And do like, share and comment.
You have seen this. This is what Decathlon is. Also the trekkers, hikers, actually the adventure lovers as well as the sports person. For them, Decathlon, here it is. Bye.
So, bye.
Bye.